Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Show, and it's cold. Yeah, I know, I'm a wimp. It's in the 40s here in Florida, and being used to 80s and above, I'm cold. I know it, gets minus degrees up north, and you guys don't complain, but I'm not complaining. I'm just giving you a weather report. Anyway, so much for the weather report. And the noise you hear in the background is the dryer. I turned the dryer on to help me warm up. So I apologize for the noise in the background. Anyway, this is another radio from Jeff, who brings me these radios to review on my show. He loans these to me, and they're quite unusual. This one is an AM/FM pocket radio, old style transistor. It's called the Windsor. And over here it says, enjoy, magnificent FM music, beautiful, restful. Popular AM broadcast, telescopic FM antenna, handy carrying strap, private earphone included, operates on a 9-volt battery, not included, deluxe silver color cap. That's it. So we're going to check this out. I hope he's got a battery in it, because I haven't put a battery in it. There it is. Now he's looking pretty heavy. It must have a battery. I hope it has a battery, because it's heavy. Okay. My hands are still kind of cold. There we go. And it does have a 9-volt battery right there. Okay. See if we can get this back on. Let me lay this down flat. Okay, there's a trick on that. There it is. It's always a trick to getting those things back on. So here's the AM/FM switch. Here's the tuning dial. The knob right there. Telescopic antenna. Carrying strap, which is, you basically would have to cut it off to get it off easily, but you could get it off. There's a speaker right there. You can see it inside the grill. It says on the back, it says model 2024 SPA. Made in the Philippines, of all places. How about that? Let's see. Volume control is over here. On, off. Yep. There we go. I'm on FM. Little short antenna. Well, actually, it's pretty long. It's 15 inches long. Let's tune it in. Not music. Let's see. I want to get down the lower part of the dial. There we go. Get away from music. Pretty clear.
Collective delusion that Dodger dogs aren't inferior cylindrical foodstuffs. We have been
I don't know how many transistors.
About Fenway Franks. Then there's the gouging. The New York Jets will charge you $40 to $50 for parking.
Hitting a lot of stations.
Doing an interview with
okay. Let's try AM.
Consultation and
Oh,
100% satisfaction
turn it down.
guarantee.
Got plenty of volume. Where are we on the dial? Yep. Pretty good. The audio, well, as you would expect with this little speaker. And now, nowadays, they have made a vast improvement on small speakers. Different technology, but you can get radios with, like the radio I was showing you before the previous show, with very small speakers, and pretty good sound. There's not much bass, of course, but it doesn't sound too tinny. Now this one, which right there you can kind of see the size of the speaker, it's a little tinny, but this is old technology. But it works fine, and it's in good shape. There's the earphone jack, mono, of course, being this vintage. That's it. Thanks, Jeff, for loaning me these radios. Got some neat little old radios. And I think this is the last of the 6 they brought to me. So we'll be looking forward next month or so for Jeff bringing us some new ones. He's got a big collection. He's got several collections off-site, not where he lives. So he'll be getting those back on site and be bringing me some of those. He's teased me with a couple of them that he's got. He says, I got this one here. And I'm like, oh yeah, that's got shortwave. I'd love to review that one. Anyway, if you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. And thanks everybody for using my Amazon store. Oh, I really appreciate it. I don't deal with that Patreon thing or ask for donations. I like using the Amazon store because you get something, a merchandise, for your payment. So you buy something, say it costs $6.95. It costs $6.95 no matter whether you go to my store or go directly to Amazon. You get that item that you wanted, and I get a small commission, and I can buy radios and things to review on my show. It works out great. Much easier than asking for donations. Have a great day. Bye-bye.